Ever wondered what makes a fruit so legendary that the world calls it the king of mangoes? Well, you're about to find out. Journey with us to the sun-kissed orchards of the Philippines, where a golden treasure begins its incredible story. Imagine this. Endless rows of mango trees, their branches heavy with fruit, basking in the warm glow of a tropical sunrise. The air is sweet, filled with the promise of something truly special. Here, in these sprawling groves, the world-famous Philippine Carabao mango comes to life. See those drops of morning dew glistening on its smooth, golden skin? That's nature's seal of perfection. This isn't just a fruit, it's a legacy. For generations, Filipino farmers have poured their hearts and souls into cultivating these mangoes. It's a craft passed down through families, a tradition built on meticulous care and a deep love for the land. Watch as they move through the orchards, their hands expertly testing each fruit for the perfect ripeness. It's a gentle dance, a partnership between human and nature. You can see the pride in their eyes as they carefully harvest each mango, one by one. This isn't mass production, it's a labor of love. The Philippine mango is more than just a delicious treat. It's a cultural icon. It's the centerpiece of vibrant fiestas, a symbol of hospitality, and a taste of home for Filipinos all over the globe. From humble family farms to bustling international markets, this golden jewel is a true economic powerhouse, supporting countless communities and sharing a piece of the Philippines with the world. So, what is it about this mango that captivates everyone who tastes it? Is it the perfect balance of sweetness and a hint of tang? Is it the silky, fiberless flesh that melts in your mouth? Or is it the story behind each fruit? A story of tradition, dedication, and the unique magic of the Philippine sun and soil. As we trace this golden trail, we'll uncover the secrets behind its global fame. We'll meet the people whose lives are intertwined with this incredible fruit, and follow its journey from these serene orchards to plates and palates thousands of miles away. This is the story of how a single fruit from a tropical paradise conquered the world. Join us as we dive deeper into the world of the Philippine mango. You'll discover the unique climate that makes it so special, witness the colorful festivals held in its honor, and see how modern innovation is helping to share this gift with even more people. From the rich volcanic soil to the bustling export docks, every step of the journey is packed with stories waiting to be told. This is more than just a food documentary. It's a celebration of culture, a tribute to hard-working farmers, and an exploration of one of nature's most perfect creations. Get ready to experience the Philippines in its most delicious form. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world. You won't want to miss where this golden trail leads next. How does a mango go from a tropical orchard to dinner tables across the globe? The answer is a story of patience, passion, and precision. Welcome back to our journey into the world of mangoes. Today, we're diving deep into the harvest, the critical moment when these golden fruits begin their long trip to you. It all starts in the sun-drenched orchards, where generations of farmers have perfected the art of knowing exactly when a mango is ready. It's not just about the color. They feel for the right firmness, check the blush on its skin, and even smell the sweet fragrance at the stem. This is a sensory skill passed down through families, a true connection between the farmer and the fruit. Some use traditional long poles with nets to gently pluck the mangoes from high branches, ensuring they don't bruise from a fall. You can see the care in every single movement. Once the mangoes are carefully gathered, often in hand-woven baskets, the real race against time begins. They are quickly transported from the orchard to local packing facilities. Here, the air is buzzing with energy. It's a vibrant, organized chaos of color and sound. The first step is sorting. This is where the meticulous labor truly shines. Workers, with incredible speed and accuracy, line up the mangoes, grading them by size, color, and quality. You'll see rows upon rows of mangoes, each one inspected by hand. Only the best, the ones that meet strict export standards for appearance and ripeness, will make the cut. Blemished or overripe fruits aren't wasted. They're often sold in local markets or used to make delicious juices, jams, and dried snacks. This commitment to using everything is a cornerstone of sustainable farming. It's about respecting the harvest and the land that provides it. Alongside these traditional methods, you'll find modern innovations. Some larger farms use automated sorting lines with cameras that can detect imperfections the human eye might miss. Water baths are used to clean the fruit and sometimes to heat treat them, a natural way to protect against pests without harsh chemicals. It's a beautiful blend of old and new, where technology helps to enhance the quality that tradition has always delivered. Every single person here plays a crucial role. From the picker in the field to the packer on the line, there's a shared sense of pride. They know they're not just handling fruit. They're handling a piece of their culture, a taste of their home that they are sharing with the world. You can see it in their smiles, in the careful way they place each mango into a crate. These vibrant crates, filled with perfectly arranged mangoes, are a testament to all the hard work. They are now ready for the next stage of their journey: export. Each box is a promise of quality, a culmination of the sun, the soil, and the skilled hands that brought it from the tree. This intricate dance of harvesting, sorting, and packing is what ensures that the mango you find in your grocery store is as close to perfect as possible. It's a process fueled by community, dedication, and a deep love for this incredible fruit. Join us next time as we follow these mangoes across oceans and continents, exploring the complex logistics of global distribution. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look behind the scenes, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. From a tropical archipelago to tables in New York, Tokyo, and Dubai, the Philippine mango is a global superstar. But how does this golden fruit, ripened under the tropical sun, embark on its epic journey to conquer taste buds around the world? It's a story of logistics, quality, and undeniable flavor. Let's trace its path. From the farms we visited, these carefully selected mangoes are packed into crates, ready for a global adventure. We're talking massive cargo ships setting sail from Manila, their holds filled with the sweet scent of a Philippine summer. We're also talking about air freight, where planes rush these precious fruits to distant markets, ensuring they arrive perfectly fresh. Imagine this: a mango, picked just a few days ago in the Philippines, is now being sliced open in a bustling market in Hong Kong, or finding its way onto a supermarket shelf in Canada. The demand is huge. Countries like Japan, South Korea, the United States, and nations across the Middle East can't get enough. Why? It's all about the brand. The Philippine mango, especially the Carabao variety, has built a reputation for its exceptional sweetness, minimal fiber, and intoxicating aroma. It's not just any mango, it's the mango. Quality control is everything. Exporters work tirelessly to meet strict international standards, ensuring each fruit is a perfect ambassador for the Philippines. This commitment to excellence is what gets them prime placement on shelves in high-end international supermarkets. You'll see them beautifully stacked, a vibrant splash of gold inviting shoppers from London to Sydney to experience a taste of the tropics. But it's not just about selling fruit, it's about sharing an experience. We see it in festive food markets abroad, where people's eyes light up the moment they taste it. International chefs rave about its versatility, using it in everything from savory sauces to exquisite desserts. We've heard them say there's a unique floral note, a creamy texture that other mangoes just can't replicate. It transforms a simple dish into something extraordinary. This isn't just a fruit, it's a culinary icon. So, what's next for this golden treasure? The global appetite is only growing. New markets are opening up, and the world is discovering what Filipinos have known all along. The Philippine mango is simply the best. It's a source of national pride, a sweet symbol of the Philippines' gift to the world. Every crate that leaves the shore carries more than just fruit. It carries the warmth, flavor, and spirit of the islands. From a small seed to a global sensation, the journey of the Philippine mango is a true success story written in gold. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more amazing stories. But the mango story in the Philippines goes far beyond the farm. It's more than a fruit, more than an export. The mango is woven into the very fabric of Filipino culture, its festivals, and its traditions. It's a symbol of sunshine, joy, and the sweet life. Every year, the island of Guimaras transforms into a vibrant sea of celebration for the Mangahan festival. Imagine streets alive with color, music pulsing through the air, and parades featuring incredible floats shaped like giant golden mangoes. People from all walks of life come together, their faces lit with smiles, dancing in celebration of this beloved fruit. It's a spectacle of pure joy, a testament to the local pride tied to their world-famous mangoes. And the celebration doesn't stop at parades. It's a full-blown feast for the senses. All across the Philippines, festivals feature mango eating contests, culinary competitions, and endless stalls showcasing the fruit's incredible versatility. Local chefs and home cooks alike bring out their best, transforming the humble mango into a dizzying array of delicacies. Let's talk about the food, because that's where the magic truly happens. Of course, there's nothing quite like biting into a fresh, ripe mango, its sweet juice dripping down your chin. But the creativity is boundless. Think of creamy, refreshing mango shakes on a hot day, the chewy sweetness of world-famous dried mangoes, or the rich, decadent layers of a mango float, a dessert that graces nearly every Filipino celebration. From tangy green mango with bagoong to elaborate mango-infused pastries, the fruit is a cornerstone of Filipino cuisine. For many families, mangoes are tied to cherished memories and traditions passed down through generations. I've heard stories from locals who remember climbing mango trees in their grandparents' backyard as children. They share secret family recipes for mango jam or achara, a pickled green mango relish that adds a perfect tang to any meal. These aren't just recipes, they are heirlooms, threads of connection to family and to the land itself. Seeing the pure, unadulterated happiness on a child's face as they savor a slice of mango perfectly captures its essence. It's not just food, it's a source of national pride, a symbol of abundance and a taste of home. From the grandest festivals to the simplest family gatherings, the mango is there. A sweet reminder of the warmth and vibrancy of Filipino culture. It's a fruit that truly brings people together, sparking joy and creating memories that last a lifetime. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this sweet journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. With global demand soaring, how does the Philippines ensure its mangoes remain the sweetest, most beloved in the world? The story of the Philippine mango is one of continuous evolution, a golden legacy passed down through generations, now facing the challenges of a modern world. It's a tale not just of sweetness, but of incredible resilience. The path forward isn't always easy. Climate change brings unpredictable weather, new pests threaten the precious harvest, and fierce competition from other countries is always on the horizon. But the Filipino spirit, much like the sturdy mango tree, is deeply rooted and adaptable. In fields across the archipelago, a quiet revolution is taking place. Look closely. Farmers are blending age-old wisdom with cutting-edge technology. Drones glide over vast orchards, not just for stunning views, but to monitor crop health with incredible precision. Modern irrigation systems deliver water exactly where it's needed, conserving this vital resource. Many are embracing organic practices, working in harmony with nature to produce fruit that's not only delicious but also sustainable. This commitment to quality has earned them prestigious global certifications, opening doors to new markets and reassuring customers worldwide. The innovation doesn't stop in the orchard. A new generation of entrepreneurs is taking the golden fruit and transforming it into a dazzling array of products. From gourmet dried mangoes and artisanal jams to refreshing mango-infused beverages, their creativity knows no bounds. These young visionaries are not just building businesses. They are ambassadors of Filipino flavor, packaging their heritage and shipping it to every corner of the globe. They are creating jobs, uplifting communities, and writing the next chapter in the mango's legacy. From the farmer tending to a single tree to the digital systems tracking exports across oceans, every part of this journey is fueled by a collective passion. It's a symphony of tradition and technology, of hard work and hopeful innovation. The Philippine mango is more than just a fruit. It's a symbol of the nation's heart and soul. It represents the warmth of the tropical sun, the richness of the soil, and the unwavering spirit of its people. As we look to the future, the golden glow of the mango shines brighter than ever, a beacon of cultural pride, economic hope, and a promise of sweetness that the world will continue to cherish. The legacy is in good hands, ready to flourish for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you love this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.